Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another walk around thanks to IAA Insurance Auto Auctions, my new best friends here in Oklahoma City, because they kind of let me come out and wander around. This is the day that anybody can come out and take a look at cars they are thinking about bidding on. I found me some pick-em-up trucks. We're continuing to search for the perfect tow vehicle for Monkey Wrench Mike, so let's get right to work. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
I want to show you this first, because back in the day, Mikey had a thing for, well, I've always had a thing for vehicles, but what I could do is I could take a look at a person or get to know them very quickly, and then I could pick out the perfect vehicle for them. And it just came to me so quick. Okay, you are a Mercedes SL 500 guy, or you are a Ford Explorer Sport guy, for example, right here. Yeah, I was with my photographer friend when I lived in Atlanta, and he had a friend who was in the military, and he was looking for a vehicle, and he didn't know what he wanted. And I looked at the guy and I said, well, this is what you need. You need a Ford Explorer. He said, no, I don't like the SUV. And I said, no, the Sport, the pickup truck. And he said, what? I said, yeah, that's the perfect vehicle for you. And he went out and bought it. He bought one and he loved it. Yeah, so I thought, well, let me kind of just look and see what I pointed him toward. I don't know if this is the vehicle for me. It'll tow. Yeah, she will tow. And you can put stuff in the back. You get another wheel, all kinds of little plastic pieces, probably from underneath. But you don't get a tow hitch on this one. I guess they removed it for some reason. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. Okay, I've driven the regular Ford Explorers. I've never driven the Explorer Sport. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. You know what a wet dog smells like? A really dirty wet dog. That's exactly what this vehicle smells like. Wow. I don't want to sit in it. Oh, wow. They tried to cover up the seats with some nicely matching seat covers. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I hope the guy liked his. You get a Honda key. How weird is that? Let's just, okay, I'm gonna go sit in this. Oh, it's sticky. Steering wheel is sticky. You get a Honda key. Of course it's not gonna fit. Well, if this is your Explorer Sport, you left your key to your other vehicle inside. Yeah. Here's your Ford key. It's just like my Mustang key. There we go. She's dead as a doornail. She is dead and she is dirty. Yeah, she smells like this. She smells like a big old piece of this. Yeah, okay. Well, I don't want to spend any more time in here. This is not for me. What do I touch to get out? Ugh. Ugh. This is, okay. Well, let's quickly get away and move on to something else. Here's another option for us. How about this? It's a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 with a very nicely done antenna. That's gorgeous. Okay, this is the car that Truthful Tom says I need to get. Well, the pickup truck that Truthful Tom says I need to get. Okay, it's been keyed a little bit. There's a little bit of a dent here, little denting here. You got a flat tire. Oh, okay. Well, this guy's lived hard. Look at that. Yeah, he's a drinker. He's got engine pieces in the back. There's your intake manifold. Okay. Do we have an engine in here? I didn't even look. I really didn't even look. Yeah, this is what Tom says I should get. He loves his. He's got the 5.7 Hemi in it, and he hauls all kinds of things in his truck. It's got the smaller back seat, just like Tom's. Yep. Let's see what the front looks like. Okay. 2010. She's dirty. She's been, oh, she smells like a foot. Like a stinky foot. Oh, gosh. Okay. Wow. And you got things shoved into the, okay, yeah, into the vent so it doesn't rattle. That's something I do. I shove all kinds of things in there because I can't take it when something rattles in the car. I really can't. Well, we're missing some pieces. You do get a key. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Let's put that back down there. Okay. Yeah, I don't want it to roll off if it's not. Oh, great. I don't think. Wow. Okay. This needs lots of work. Okay, let's count the air fresheners. Woo! And I don't even think, yeah, I can't even get in here. Inside latch is broken, so you can't even get inside. Well, Mike didn't prepare for that. Okay, well, we're gonna say goodbye to the Ram. Sorry, I'll look for another one. Tom loves his, and I'm gonna check them out. This is what I love, and this is what I fear. Yes, a Range Rover Sport HSE luxury with suspension problems. This is why so many of these cars end up at the auction, because that can be expensive to replace. You can convert them into regular struts and shocks, but that's a couple $1,000s if I remember right, because I was actually looking at one of these very recently. I gotta say, I do love the interior. I really, really do. I love the way these feel. And I like the big old Land Rover even more. Okay, I love how this is kind of angled a little bit here, and I do like the wood. Some of this works, some of this doesn't. It's all just dirty. Very, very dirty. Okay, wow. She's got a couple of stickers on her too, so this car has been here for a while. These get terrible gas mileage. They have terrible reputations, and I can't even get the key over to do anything. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, she's dead. She is dead. She's not going to do anything. But are we going to let that scare us away? We're going to look at the engine just in case. It doesn't have quite the same presence when it's sitting way down there. Okay. Interior is nice. Doesn't smell weird or anything. Okay, I actually looked at one of these and drove one at a car dealer. It was the kind of the burnt orange with the white interior. It was gorgeous. And you can't open this because the battery's dead. Okay. I mean, it was really nice. But even the dealer, the used car dealer, said, yeah, this is a car you keep in the garage with another more reliable car parked out front. Yep, the dealer himself told me that. So let's see if I can get this open. Here we go. Okay. There you go, your big V8. And this, by the way, is a 2011 Range Rover Special Edition. Fluid looks good here. You have coolant. Brake fluid looks good. Washer fluid, who cares about that? Here's where your oil goes in. Ow. Come on, let me just see what the back of the thing looks like. Okay. That's good. It's not like a milkshake, so the head gasket could be good. We'll tighten that back up. Leave it just the way we found it. I love these, folks. I really do. And if I could find a way to finagle one that would tow, I would do it in a heartbeat. And in white, that's the must-have color. It really is. That's the must-have color. So, this is on my list. Well, this car brings back memories, and not so fond memories. Yeah, this is the Buick. Yep, this is the Buick Enclave. This is a 2012, so it's from about the right time period. when Mike's life fell apart. Yes, I went through all of the major changes in life and lost everything, and I needed a car. And so I found someone to finance me, and they would only finance me if I bought this. Yeah, I had to buy this car at such a high interest rate that this was the only one they would let me take. And at the end of this, I'll let you know if I took it or not. Yeah, okay, but anyway, this is the big SUV by Buick, designed, I want to say, with female drivers, because it is very swoopy, lots of features that I think females like. They're popular cars, and they can tow, not just a whole lot from what I remember, but this comes from Illinois, and the kids love Coca-Colas, and they love to jump up and down on the seats. You get even little rear controls back here with this, and you get a rear moonroof, which is really, really cool. Moonroof, not roof. Yep, that was the word. This is becoming a storytelling series, isn't it? Yeah, when I first got into the news business and I started to audition for different TV stations, and they, and the story would come up and, the hail damaged the roof of a house, and the news director came out and said, "What's a roof?" And I said, "It's on top of a house." And he said, "No, it's a roof." And I said, "Well, what do you read? Books?" He said, "No, I read books." And I said, "Exactly." So that little debate went on and on for a while. But eventually I had to change the way that I talked. And roof became roof. Yep, in Oklahoma we say roof because it's a book. It's a look, it's a roof. Yep. Anyway, back to the Enclave. Okay, this is nice. I mean, these are nice vehicles. This is leather with the wood trim. Everything is dead in the car. Doggone it. Okay. I'm going to have to talk to IAA and see if I can bring a battery pack to at least give these things some power. Nothing's going to happen when I do this. See, nothing's going to happen. This is a neat car, though. This is clean. How do you get the key out? Well, I guess you don't. Okay, we'll get the key out. Okay, yep, there it goes. Okay, let's open the hood. The hood. We're going to open the hood and take a look. Okay. Here we go. How do we open this? There it is, right there. There. And you got your transverse V6. Yep, there it is. Front wheel drive. 3.6 VVT direct ignition for the Buick Enclave. Guess that's a little grounding place right there. Here's how you can jumpstart the battery. Someone's been in looking at the air conditioner. Maybe it's not charged. I don't know. There's where you check the oil, but I can't do this because the thing's going to hit me on the head. Okay, I'm going to balance the hood on my head and take a look. Ow, this kind of hurts. There's no oil. That's not good. Okay, we're really hurting. Hold on. Oh, that hurts. There it is. Okay. Yeah, we'll put this back in here. Put it right here, and we're gonna close it. Just like that. All right. Hi. All right, yeah, I had to end that early. Somebody came over and was looking at it. You say hi to somebody and they just ignore you. That's okay. That guy right there completely ignored me. Hi, how you doing? Said nothing. Okay, so to finish the story on the Enclave, yeah, that was the only vehicle that they would finance for me. And I remember my sister drove me up there. This is when I was in Florida, in Naples, and I didn't take it. I couldn't do it. I could not make myself do it. So all I had was my little MG. That was my dad's car. So I drove that for another month or two as the only car, even though it left me stranded from time to time, until I finally had money to buy a car. What kind of car did I buy? I bought a Mercedes C43 AMG. 1,000 times better than that car right there. And I loved that car. Big V8 and a little C-Class Mercedes with the two-tone seats and the two-tone dash. Beautiful. I loved it. So I think I made the right decision. Yep. And then my life started getting better and better and better. So, moral of the story, don't buy the Enclave. Wait for the AMG. All right. Have a great day, everybody. We're back with another walk around video very, very soon. Goodbye.